What's going on, guys? Matt here with Car Tech, and today I have a really special video where I'm going over one of the most important things in my bag as a computer technician, and this is the Ifixit Pro Tech Toolkit. The Ifixit Pro Tech Toolkit comes in about $65.99 on Amazon right now, and is an amazing deal and has everything that you really need to get started in the computer repair or phone repair industry, and is something that I highly recommend to anyone that is trying to get into the industry. I've been in the industry about 4 years, and this is the second kit I've owned. I have the original that they have updated to the new one, and I'm going to be going over the new one today that I've had about for a year. So this is how I've used it over the past year and what you get inside. So let's go ahead and start off by going what you get inside. Alright guys, let's start off with what we get in this kit. From the top left, we have the anti-static wrist strap, which is very nice to keep you on a ground level. Under that, we have a very high quality suction cup that has a very nice plastic handle that allows you to get a little bit more leverage on the suction cup. Below the suction cup, we have 3 plastic spudger tools. They are all very high quality and are made of a very nice plastic and feel very well in the hand. Alright, let's start off with the top of the middle section. We have 6 blue guitar picks that are very nice for keeping devices open as you're working on them. Below that, you have some reverse tweezers, a pair of straight blunt tweezers, a pair of needle nose angle tweezers, as well as a few opening devices, including one with a little bit of a small spudger and one with a nice fine point. The other tool that's in here that's very nice to have is the Ifixit Jimmy, which allows you to get very nice angles and grips on opening things up, and has a very nice handle that allows for all that functionality. Now to the last part, let's go over the 64-bit driver kit, which is probably the most important thing of this whole kit. This 64-bit driver kit is very nice, feels very premium, and everything is enclosed in a very nice hard shell plastic that feels very well in your hand, as well as opening it up just feels very nice because it is magnetically attached. Inside the kit, you have pretty much every bit that you could ever ask for, as well as a very nice solid aluminum handle that is magnetic, a flexible driver bit that allows you to get pretty much any angle that you could ever want when working on something. This allows you to basically move around something, as well as still be torquing something down with the original handle without having to try to get your hand behind something, and it's very nice to have. Lastly, one of the most important things about this kit is that it's magnetically attached also to the back of the casing, and allows you to basically leave it in there and it's not going to fall out. As you guys just heard, there is a ton of stuff in this kit, and there's so many uses for this kit, including having that Y000, which allows you to do iPhone repairs, which is so important nowadays, and so many people need them. So if you guys are looking to get into this industry, you can go with this kit, or you can just buy the 64-bit driver kit that I have here. I have a separate one, and that comes in at $29.99 on Amazon. I'll have links to both of them in the description down below, and they're both highly recommended by me for anyone that either just tinkers on their gear, or that they want to be able to get into this industry that I have been a part of for the past 4 years. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video.